issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, northern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, eastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Funkhauser to Winston, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Douglasville, Canton, Cartersville, Dallas, Mountain Park, Roswell, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Villa Rica, Powder Springs, Holly Springs, Austell, Adelsville, Hiram, Emerson, Ball Ground, and Nelson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. What? For the high wind warning. Severe thunderstorm watch number 23 remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Georgia: Dawson, Forsyth, and Gwinnett. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, eastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, western Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, south-central Dawson County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms